Today's class is future tenses. Will, going to, present continuous and present simple for future. Okay, here we have the affirmative, negative and question forms of will. Notice it's all the same. You will go, he will go, they will go. Negative, I will not go, and question forms, will you go, will they go. What's very important with future simple will are the contractions. And perhaps say these with me. I'll go, you'll go, he'll go, she'll go, it'll go, we'll go, and they'll go. In the negative form, will not becomes won't. So he won't go, they won't go, we won't go. This is often only spoken and never written. Also, we use shall, and it's only used for I and will. Shall we go? Shall I bring some food? I shall see you later. This is often considered more formal. Okay, future simple has four main uses. The first use is future facts. We'll celebrate our 50th anniversary next year. The second is predictions and expectations. I think I'll get a promotion this summer. For decisions about the future made at the time of speaking. So, what are you doing tonight? Not sure. I'll probably watch a DVD. I've only just made that decision now. And also for offers. I'll open the door for you. I'll do your homework. Okay, the second tense is future simple, going to. Here we have the affirmative, negative and question forms. It's important to notice I am going, you are going, and he, she, and it is going. In the negative, we put the not in between the auxiliary and going. So I am not going, you are not going, he, she, and it is not going. And question forms, are you going, is he going, am I going? Again, it's important to practice the contractions. So, with me, I'm going to play, you're going to play, she's going to play, they're going to play, we're going to play. And in the negative forms, I'm not going to play, he's not going to play, they're not going to play. Future simple for going to has two main uses. First of all, for decisions about the future made before the time of speaking, sometimes called a plan or an intention. I'm going to invite lots of people to my party next week. Also, we use it for predictions based on present knowledge, something we can definitely see is going to happen. Look at those black clouds, it's going to rain. Okay. Third tense is present continuous. This is very similar to going to in its auxiliary use. I am, you are, he, she, and it is. The negative, I am not, and the questions forms, are you, is he, am I. Again, remember your contractions, I'm, your, and I'm not. Present continuous for future has two main uses. For actions or events that have already been arranged. This includes 1, a time, 2, a place, 3, possibly a person. Example, I'm meeting Paul tonight at 8 o'clock at the cinema. They are having their Christmas party tomorrow night. These have been organised and arranged. When we ask about someone's future plans is the second use. We often use the present continuous as they may have an arrangement. So I would say, what are you doing at the weekend? Okay, finally, present simple for future has one main use. It's used for timetables, fixed events and schedules. The football match starts at 3 o'clock on Saturday. Quick, hurry, our train leaves in 10 minutes. Okay. What's the difference between these sentences? I'd like you to pause this slide and think about the rules that I have just discussed. Okay, the answers. I'll have my hair cut at 3 o'clock today. Well, I've just made the decision now, but have not organised anything. I'm going to have my hair cut at 3 o'clock today. Well, I made the decision before now, maybe yesterday, but I haven't necessarily organised anything. I'm having my hair cut at 3 o'clock today. I've made the decision before now and have made an appointment. I have a time, a place, and a hairdresser arranged. Okay, here is an exercise for you to do. Put in the correct form, will, going to, present continuous or present simple. Please pause the slide and fill in the missing spaces. Okay, here are the answers. Do you think the car will start if I turn the key? I've got to go now, but I'll see you next week. Look out, that ladder is going to fall. They say the weather is going to get worse in the next few days, or they say the weather will get worse in the next few days. I am going to be a pilot when I grow up, said the little boy. The train leaves or is leaving in 5 minutes. Let's go. Now let's look at the timetable. We arrive in Rome at 6:45 and we depart at 7:30 for Naples. We are planning to buy a house sometime this year. You are going to fail the exam if you don't study harder, or you will fail the exam if you don't study harder. And finally, I'll carry those bags for you. They must be very heavy.